Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make a quick and easy vegetable pulao, easy to make with less ingredients. And I have added the ingredients in the description box, you can check it out there. Now let's get started. I've taken a cooker and I have added 2 tablespoons of ghee. I've taken whole spices, 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, small piece of cinnamon stick, 2 cardamoms and 3 cloves. Next, let's add a small onion which I have cut in small pieces. The next step, we are going to add ginger garlic paste. Let's add mushroom. Green peas and carrots. After 2 minutes of sauteing, I'm going to add basmati rice which I soaked in water for 30 minutes. I drained all the water out. Now I have mixed everything together, and because I took 2 cups of rice, I'm going to add 4 cups of water to it. Add salt. Now we are going to cover and cook it for 1 whistle. After 1 whistle, I turned off the stove and now my pressure is released. So let's go ahead and open it up. Now we're going to slowly start to mix it up. You see my rice is cooked perfectly. Now your delicious, quick and easy vegetable pulao is ready. Now let's serve it. It's steaming hot. And the flavor is amazing. Now let's try the recipe. I'm gonna take a fork, take a piece of papad, it's so good and delicious. It goes well with any curry like vegetable curry, chicken curry, any other curries. So if you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and also enjoy our recipe. Thank you.